What if we told you there was a drug-free, reusable device that provides lasting relief from acute and chronic discomfort? Sounds impossible, right? Meet Signal Relief. We know it might not look like much, but believe it or not, hidden inside this small patch is innovative micro-antenna technology designed to help reduce the impact of pain. Hundreds of thousands have already found relief, which leads to the question everyone asks: how does the Signal Relief patch actually work? Pain drains the body's resources as it works to protect and heal itself. When tissue is damaged, cells change how they move ions and other molecules across their membranes. This shifts the transmembrane potential, creating new electrical signals that can trigger swelling and acute pain. These changes affect local nerve fibers, producing electrical signals that convey the sensation of pain. The Signal Relief patch contains a micro-antenna-based conductive structure. When placed on or near the source of pain, it interacts with the electrical signals generated by injured tissues. While the patch is passive and does not generate energy on its own, its microantennas respond to the body's signals, producing gentle heat and electromagnetic effects. These interactions work together to provide a soothing feeling of relief. In short, Signal Relief works with your body to reduce discomfort, giving you lasting relief without drugs, batteries, or side effects. Join us on our mission to change the way the world deals with discomfort.